used to take it slow. Now I'll feel the
Simple.
air and take the long way home.
And
This place is
this
all
is the
I've ever known.
all the pieces. That's the kitchen,
Scared of the old
the bed, the drawer, and I guess we'll show you.
we could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild. Was always looking for a sign. Now I know I was just wasting time, pretending everything was fine. I'll move along and leave it all behind. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild. You can find what you're missing. Yeah, just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. You can find what you're missing. Yeah, just start living. Let's make a new beginning and never stop wishing. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. We're wild. We're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart. Could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start. 'Cause we're wild at heart. We're wild at heart. We're running wild and free. Be who we wanna be. We're wild at heart.
So we said the timing wasn't right because it was coming along pretty good to be almost ready. And yay, probably this is as close as it's gonna get to finish, and there will be just more small details. But it is winter, so it's really cold. But we wanted to give it a go, una estrenada, like we say in Spanish, and it's cold. So yeah, the timing, it's not ideal. It's not camping time. However, all the people from the northern, like Wisconsin, like Michigan, any other state that it's colder than here in the south, to them this is nice weather. So I can understand that, but I don't think I can do it. It's really cold. But we're gonna have some cafecito con some stroopwafels. Cafecito para el frío.
What are we doing, babe?
We're glamping.
So here we are, semi-finished. We started the week of Thanksgiving. It is now December 11th. It hasn't been constant, it's been off and on. A little bit of time here and a little bit of time there. We got the bed. Then it slides in to be a sofa. You'll see. We have the table, our eating table, or cooking table.
Cooking area, yeah.
Yep, cooking area. Our sink.
And the refrigerator.
And a refrigerator.
The idea started because we were just driving around and we found a really nice area with beautiful view, peaceful, and but it was cold. So we just sat on the tailgate of the truck. Typically, because I'm always cold, I carry blankets or extra sweaters. I'm kind of prepared. But we had happened to be cleaning the truck a few days before, so there was nothing. It was really cold, and it felt rushed, and it felt like I wish we would have had a setup. We could have be away from the elements and still enjoy. So this came as a quickly DIY, and I think came out pretty good within a budget. The curtains here were just repurposed. The cushions for the bed we already had, thanks to his brother. This is a cooler that will serve as a refrigerator. This is a little basin, which is just like a tray that will be serving as a sink, and that will be our little kitchenette for cooking area. Pretty simple. You can take everything apart. How long did it take you?
Probably maybe 5 to 7 minutes. Put it together. And then everything else was just, if you have all your camping gear ready, if you take very long to put it inside the truck, on the back of the truck, tear down 3 pieces that you take out and you put it away, and you can use it as a work truck again.
So multi-use.
Multi-use, yeah. And this came out, like she said, a lot cheaper than purchasing a camper, because I wanted a camper that you can put on the back of your truck. But those are expensive.
Because we've done camping in all different type of settings, it comes down to like, what do we really need?
Yeah.
Because we've gone camping, packed, thinking just in case for this, for that, and the other, and you end up packing way more than you need, finding out we didn't even touch this. We only used that. We wish we would have had this. And I know camping is not for everyone, but you're missing out. It's great. You should give it a try.
Yeah.
The simplicity of having just something to throw together. So if we just want to be spontaneous and just go for a drive just for the day, this works just fine. And we'll just throw some sandwiches and, you know, carry some water, and we can at that point decide to spend the night if it's something that it's doable within the setup or the setting that we're in. And then we'll go from there. But this was the idea, and I think it came out pretty great so far. And we have the cooler, which is the refrigerator, and it's your cup holder. It's perfect.
Multi-purpose.
Multi-purpose, everything. What do you think of these lights? And they're great.
You said it's 60 feet.
60 feet for $15.
Right now it's just hooked on the hooks where the curtains are.
Semi.
Semi, yep. And but it looks nice. It's fine. It gives us enough light.
Some ambient, some warm ambient. And I mean, I think this is really everything we need for going on a drive, just to enjoy. At the end of the day, we just want to enjoy the outdoors. But with me sometimes running low in energy and needing to rest, on a walk I can get tired pretty quickly. Sitting down, it's great, I can rest, but sometimes sitting down, it's not enough. I actually need to lay down and let my body just rest. This would help me to be able to you know, gain some energy and continue on adventuring and not feeling so depleted so quickly and so fast. So I'm really excited. This is gonna work. It's nice. I like it. We're out here glamping.
We are.
Check out our bed. Our stove.
Cooking area. Yep.
Cooking area.
On the lights.
Our lights. Our sink. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Show your booty, baby. Show your booty.
Hey, subscribers. Subscribe for more booty.
Ándale. Y el otro, el otro.
Subscribe now for more booty. More booty action.
I mean, if you want to see more other stuff, we can go to a very remote area.
We're in a remote area.
Oh yeah, we are.
Get it? Because we have a remote. Put it over here. And when he comes.